All right, so multiplying monomials and binomials. So there's like distribution. It's 5 times 2x plus 8. It's distribution because you need to distribute. There's a multiplication here. Basically, this means you have a parenthesis. Means this 5 is for both of those, 2x and 8. You need to distribute. It's going to be multiplying to both of these parts. So 5 times 2x is going to be 10x. And then 5 times 8 is 40. There's plus sign, it's going to be positive 40. That's distribution a monomial by binomial. Now, how about distribution of a binomial by binomial? So next one is x plus 5 times x plus 8. So this one is binomial. That's also binomial. So see, each one of them is going to be multiplied by those two. See, like this. And it's going to be x times x, x to the first power times x to the first power. Bases are the same. You add the powers, so it's going to be x squared. Now x times 8 is going to be 8x. Since there's positive, it's going to be plus 8x. 5 times x is positive 5x. And then 5 times 8 is 40, but positive times positive is positive, right? Positive 40. And then you're going to see if you have common terms, you're going to add the common terms. Like these two are common, 5x and 8x. You're going to add them. It's going to be x squared plus 5x plus 8x. These are the only ones that you can add. It's going to be 13x plus 40, and it's done. Now, a little bit harder than that. Let's multiply a binomial by trinomial. Let's say you have x plus 5 times trinomial. And this trinomial, I'm going to make it highest power of 2. Make it a little bit more complicated. X squared plus 2x plus 6, for example. So this is the third problem. And then this was the second one, and this is the first one. So it gets harder. Now, so for this one, again, each one of these is going to be multiplied to all those 3 of them. Like that, like this. So 6 multiplication you're going to have, and then you're going to simplify them. So it's going to be x times x squared is going to be x to the third. X times 2x is going to be plus 2x squared. X times 6 is going to be plus 6x, right? And then plus 5 times x squared. Plus 5 times x squared is 5x squared. And 5 times 2x, they're both positive. This and this, they're both positive. So, I mean positive, it's not negative, so I'm going to erase that. So it's going to be 5 times 2x, it's going to be 5 times 2 is 10. So it's going to be a positive 10x. And then 5 times 6, they're both positive. It's going to be positive 30. Now we're going to add the common terms. See, this one is x squared. I don't have any more.
Isn't that 5x squared?
Now let me see. 5x squared. Oh, yeah, I missed that too there. 5x, because I was looking for one of them. There should be another one, yeah. So, yeah, 5 times x squared would have been 5x squared. I put 5x. So 2x squared and 5x squared are together. You need to add them. And then 6x and 10x. These two needs to be added together. So eventually you're going to have x to the third is alone. So x to the third plus 2x squared and 5x squared. You add them, get 7x squared. And then 6x plus 10x. These two. It's going to be 16x. Positive 16x. And there's this last one, 30 left. Positive 30 plus 30. So that's the result from multiplication of a binomial to trinomial.